Hello, everyone, and welcome to Crypto Metaverse. Today, we're going to be talking about what is a smart contract. All right, what is a smart contract? Right, I know in some one of my videos I've talked about smart contract. So today we're going to be looking in brief details what a smart contract is. All right, a smart contract is a self-executing piece of code stored on the blockchain. It runs automatically when certain conditions are met. It is what? The code on blockchain, alright, programmed to run when certain conditions are made. Think of it like a digital vending machine, alright? You insert money, make a selections, straight up it goes. The machine delivers. No middleman. Smart contracts remove the need for third parties like banks, lawyers, brokers. Once deployed, they run automatically. So that's a smart contract for you. It's a program written when it runs on its own when it's programmed. Right? So if you write the right code, it will go automatically. So how does it work? How does smart contracts work? Now, smart contracts are live on blockchains like Ethereum and Solana. If you've watched the video on Ethereum, you understand when we talk about smart contracts. I believe the programming on Ethereum brought about the smart contract, and it made things more seamless and easy. So they are written in programming languages, and then they are deployed. The developer creates a contract with terms if happens or if X happens, Y. Simple codings and simple instructions helps it to function properly. It deploys on the blockchain. Once triggered, the code executes automatically, no delays, no manual approval. And once on the blockchain, no one can change it. Alright? What it means by once on the blockchain, no one can change it. When you give those instructions, you have to be sure when you're programming and what you want the program to run. Because on blockchains, it's difficult to change codes because you have to go around multiple blocks. Okay, so once you deploy something on the blockchain, it's difficult to go around and change whatever you have deployed. It goes up to different blocks and different computers coming together to create that code. All right? Yeah, so the smart contract in the real world, like real world examples. Smart contracts powers most of what we see in the crypto world today, alright? DeFi, we have a video on DeFi and decentralized finance, which is loan, staking, and swapping. We have NFTs, minting, ownership, transfers, all those things work on smart contracts. We have games, assets, and logic. So the smart contracts handle voting and treasury decisions, escrows, holding crypto until conditions are met. Basically, they make Web3 run automatically and trustly. So that is what a smart contract does. It has full activities, everything you want in the blockchain. So benefits or risks of smart contracts: no middleman, lower cost, trustless, transparent, can't be tampered with. Like I said, once it runs on the blockchain, can't be changed. It runs for 24 hours, anywhere in the world. Alright? So what are the risks? If coded wrongly, like I said, can be changed. The contract will still run. Alright? Bugs can be undone. Once deployed, you can't change it. Hackers can exploit vulnerabilities if there are any. So smart contracts are powerful, but need to be written and tested carefully. Alright? Need to be written and tested carefully. So let's talk about smart contracts. Alright? A little recap. A smart contract is like a programmable deal. It's live on the blockchain and executes itself when certain conditions are met. I repeat, when certain conditions are met. It's the backbone of DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. And the reason crypto is more than just money. All these things depend on the smart contract. So if you enjoyed this short video talking about smart contract, drop a comment, so if you've had interactions with smart contracts, which you do when you send crypto on the blockchain and all that, or you buy NFTs and all that, you have interacted with smart contracts. So like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more of this coming your way daily. All right, so see you in the next one.